Well, they always want to know how long it's going to take us to get the deal done because they're used to having, bank financing, which can take anywhere from 21 days for the guys that are super fast up to 60 days, sometimes longer from what I hear.
Sure.
We don't do those loans, so I don't know for sure. But they also want to know what it's going to cost the borrower. And, typical concern is the borrower going to do these terms?
Right.
And a lot of times they're surprised that the borrowers actually will because what they find is that, the guy wants to get the deal done. He wants to buy the property. And even if he has a higher rate for a shorter period of time in order to get in, then it's still worth it. We don't have any specific credit guidelines in terms of minimum credit. I mean, a guy could have a bankruptcy or foreclosure that happened yesterday or a short sale, and it doesn't really affect us because the main protection for our investors who fund these loans is the amount of equity in the property, which is basically the down payment. Guy's buying a $100,000 property. He puts 35% down. There's a $65,000 loan or 65% loan to value ratio.
Sure.
And that gives that sufficient protection for an investor to not really be concerned about the guy's credit. He knows if a guy put 35% down payment, it's unlikely that he's going to say, well, I'm done. I'm not going to pay anymore.
Right.
He wants his money back too.
Sure.